Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a game I created using Python that I learned from my Python 2 class. So the project was inspired by me because I like zombie games and I wanted to practice my logic and the Python skills I learned to build a video game that I enjoy playing. Um, yes. So the two most important things I learned are how to use if-else statements and how to create and use functions. So if-else statements allows me to execute different blocks of code based on the given condition, and creating and using functions can make my code clearer and simpler. So the first image on the left shows my code that allows the user to defend or attack. And the image on the right shows like a function that I created that can make zombies. This is some images of my code, and I have a link to my project. So the first thing you want to do is to make a name for your player. And then there are two options, attacking and defending. Attacking, basically, the zombies' health is going to be decreased by the player's strength, or like subtracted by the player's strength. If you attack, the zombie's going to be dead. And defending allows you to block the zombie's attack and also dealing some damage to the zombie. But there is a cooldown and also a chance that your attack won't be blocked. Their attack won't be blocked successfully. So if you defend, yeah, okay, it's blocked successfully. And then every 3 waves, you're going to choose between more health, more strength, or a random tool. And if we select a random tool, it's going to give us a random tool. And here is the weapons that I created. And yeah. My favorite part about working on the project was creating the attacking system for the player because it requires the most logic and skills out of all of the code. And if I were to continue my project, I would add like more than one player. So the player is going to have helpers that can like increase their strength or help them defeat zombies. And also I'm going to add more than one zombie per wave. So there's going to be like a higher chance of dying for the player. And I'm also going to implement Pygame to make the game more realistic. And thank you.